Hey, what's up, guys? We just setting up real quick. So let's just say for um, the purpose of the stream, let's say we're gonna begin in about 10 minutes. 10 minutes, we're gonna begin. Okay, we're gonna get started in 10 minutes. I'm just setting up my stream as well on TikTok. Okay, so just give me 1 second, guys. Yo, what's up, guys? I was muted. Okay, the audio was muted. I'm just setting up the stream. We're gonna get started in about 7 minutes. Okay? Yeah, in about 7 minutes, we're gonna get started. So just relax. Maybe get a pen and paper, just to get ready. We're gonna get started in 7 minutes at about 20 past 5. Okay? Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. We are about to get started in 4 minutes. 4 minutes, we're going to get started. I'm just finishing up my setup, okay? Because I'm streaming on two places, so I want everybody to be with me. I want everybody to be with me. Right. Uh, Chrome 2. Right. We're going to get started just now, guys. Don't worry. In 4 minutes, we're going to get started. Is it 4 minutes? Yeah, in 4 minutes. In 4 minutes, we are going to get started. Yeah, in 4 minutes, we are going to get started. Okay. We're good. I think we're good to go. Okay, 4 minutes. 4 minutes, guys. I'm giving it. Now we've got 3 minutes left. We're going to get started in 3 minutes. So while, okay, somebody says there's no audio. The audio should be back on YouTube, okay? So while we're waiting for the 4 minutes to be up, do you guys have any questions that you have, or you're gonna reserve them for the end of the stream? So basically, we're probably gonna be on the stream for about maybe like 30 minutes, guys, right? Hopefully we can do this in 30 minutes. All right, hopefully we can do this in 30 minutes. Okay. Yeah, hopefully we can do this in 30 minutes, guys. Hopefully we can do this in 30 minutes. Any questions before we begin? Any questions before we begin? The first comment of the day was from Bill C63. Is the end of what? Okay, that's a weird name, man. Hey, what's up, Shane Million? What's going on? Mirza, what's up? Let me see who's on YouTube. No Limit is up here. Jumsile is up here. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, guys. Welcome. We begin in 2 minutes. All right. So, any questions, guys? Any questions? Okay, somebody asked which platform are we trading on? So that is MT4. Okay, MT4 is the platform that I'm trading on. But look, you can also execute on MT5. Okay, but the platform I'm using to analyze is MT4. Okay, it's a little bit hot. It's a little bit hot today. It's a little bit hot. Not weird. Our government is corrupt. Hey, bro, I don't want to talk about the government. I don't want to get my thing taken down. Okay, but I understand. Hey, Derry Frank, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream, brother man. Welcome to the stream. I'm probably gonna go live again, guys. I'm probably gonna go live again at what time again? I think I said I didn't mention. Hey, I don't want to commit. I don't want to say things that I can't commit to right now. Can I see your screen? If you want to see my screen, go on my YouTube channel, Mabs Effects. Get on my screen, Mabs Effects. If you want to see my screen, go to Mabs Effects. Okay, 1 minute, guys, then we're gonna begin. 1 minute, we're gonna begin. We're gonna begin right now. Guys, okay, so the plan for today, okay, we're just gonna touch on some basics, right? Hopefully we're not gonna take too long on the basics. And then we are gonna look at some markets, we're gonna look at some markets and see if there's gonna be any opportunities for us. One of the major things that I've seen this week is, okay, there's a news event that's happening now at 5, probably started like 20 minutes ago. And tomorrow is actually the big day, because tomorrow we have the FOMC, which is hectic, guys. This is big. It's a big news event. So whenever that news event hits, the market's going to go crazy. So the dollar's going to go crazy, right? the dollar's gonna go super, super crazy. So we need to be wakker. Okay, wait, hold on, guys. I need to get my. Okay, it's right here. It's right here. It's right here. It's right here. Okay, so the actual big day for trading, guys, is tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow definitely we have to. Hey, Zain Muhammad, TikTok just told me that you often watch my lives, dude. Thank you so much for the support. Really, really do appreciate you. Okay. So, anyways, the big day to trade is tomorrow. Okay. So, if we need to know the basics and need to know whatever we need to discuss, we need to discuss it today because tomorrow is the day. Okay. All right. So, without wasting any time, hope you guys are feeling good, feeling great. So the software that we use, guys, is a MetaTrader 4 indicator called FX Signals 3.0. Okay, it works on MetaTrader 4. You need a computer, right? You need to have a computer. It's not going to work without a computer. It can work on a Windows computer. It can work on a Mac PC. Okay, just that a Mac has a few more steps to install, but we managed to do it, right? So I'm just going to run through the rules real quick. So I'll come back to the rules, but I'm just gonna go through them real quick. Okay, using our trading system to get a buy signal, right? The price must be above the 100 period moving average. The volatility meter must be above 70%. It must be at 70 or above, and then we can use the appropriate signal. Okay. And then for sell signal, we the price must be underneath the 100 period moving average. The volatility meter must be at 70 or above. And then afterwards, we can take the signal, use the TP 1, 2, and 3, and the stop loss that's recommended. Okay. But guys, that's the trading strategy. Okay. So we always have to talk about this. It's very, very important, right? Our steps, there's a 6-step process that we need to follow, right? If we want to get trades with our trading system, okay? Or if you want to just trade effectively, like there's like 6 simple steps, guys, okay, that you need to follow, but 6 steps in our process, okay? So, number one, before you start doing anything, guys, okay, it's very, very important that you do risk management, okay? Risk management. It's very, very important. Like I know a lot of people don't really like talking about risk. They just want to jump into trading, but you're not going to do anything if you don't have solid risk management. Okay, so risk management starts off with your capital. Okay, it starts off with your capital. So you need to use risk capital in trading. Okay, if you're going to trade forex, if you're going to trade crypto, if you're going to trade stocks or whatever it is that you want to trade online or on whatever platform, you need to have risk capital. Okay, so risk capital is money that you are willing to invest in the market. Okay, and you can afford to lose that money. You understand? So if you decide to do trading, you need to use risk capital, and this is money that you want to use as an investment, but you must be prepared to lose it all. Okay, so you can't use money that's not risk capital. Okay, so if you want to be a trader, if you want to be any kind of trader and you want to do trading, you cannot use any other funds but risk capital. Okay, why is that important? Because um, trading is very high risk. It's a very high risk environment. You open an account with a broker. The broker will tell you that there's a risk disclaimer. Your capital is at risk, okay? And then it's possible for you to lose a portion or all of the capital that you put in the account, okay? So it's very, very important to understand that you use risk capital. And I feel like when I talk about this, it's like people close their ears, but it's really, really important to use risk capital because trading isn't only about it isn't only about just hold on guys. Trading isn't only about what is this? It isn't only about strategies. Okay, I think I'm gonna go off on TikTok, guys, because my batteries are about to die. But yeah, it's like at 15%. So I'll just ride it out until the phone switches off. So if you see me disappear, it means my battery died, guys. Okay. So, anyways, trading is about it's not only about strategy but also managing risk. Okay. So, number one, we start if you want to trade, you need to have risk capital. Number one, we don't negotiate there. Okay. You can't tell me that you're using money for that is meant for your house loan or your retirement money. It doesn't work like that because trading also deals with a strategy, like how to find opportunities, and then psychology as well. Okay, psychology and emotions. Okay, it's very, very important. I know it's boring, but it's something that you need to understand that trading is about risk, it's about psychology, it's about your trading strategy. Okay, if you don't learn how to master these three things that I just spoke about, okay, you're just going to open up yourself to a world of frustration. Okay, so you need to understand psychology is very, very important because when we're dealing with money, it's a very emotional subject. Okay, it's very, very emotional. So that doesn't change when you invest in the markets. It's all about how you perceive the market, and it's all about your emotions when you're trading. Because when the market is moving up and down, it usually invokes some sort of emotion. Okay, so for those of you guys wondering, in about 15 minutes, we're gonna do the analysis. Okay. So don't worry about that. We're going to do the analysis in about 15 minutes. But it's very, very important for us to go through these steps because some people want to trade, but they're not willing to learn about risk management. They're not willing to learn about anything. Okay. So it's very, very important that we start here. Okay. So psychology, emotions. And now imagine this, guys. If you use money that is not risk capital, money that you're not supposed to be using for trading, okay? Obviously, you're going to be emotional when you're trading because you're going to experience things like fear. You're going to be too afraid to take risks in the market because you're afraid to lose money. Okay, you don't want to be in that position. Sometimes you're going to be too excited where now you take too much risk and you don't think about the setup. Okay, so those types of things come into play when you are doing trading. Okay, risk management also deals with selecting a lot size. Okay, remember when you get a trade, you need to select a lot size. The lot size determines how much risk you're taking on a particular trade. So it's very, very important to know which lot sizes to use. Okay, some people just use random lot sizes, but it's something that you need to like go deeper and really think about what lot size you're going to do, and then it has to make sense to your account balance. Okay, so like let's say if you're on a standard account and you've only got $20, it doesn't make sense to open up a one lot standard trade, okay, on a currency. Okay, it's not going to work out. It's not going to work out unless you're scalping, right? Unless you're scalping. But if you do that and the risk is too high, then it's not going to work for you. All right, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. All right. Using the stop losses as well for each trade that you're taking, guys, you need to understand how much you're risking on the trade. Okay, if you don't know how much you're risking on the trade, then we have a problem. Okay, you must just know that you have a problem. So if you're going to be trading today and you open up a trade, you put your stop loss, you put your take profit, if you don't know how much you're risking, you have a problem. You have a serious problem. Again, 90% of traders aren't making money. And in fact, more than 90% are losing money in trading, and more than less than 10% are making money. Okay. So if you do things like ignoring risk management, you are having tendencies of the 90% of traders who aren't making money. Okay? So if you don't do that, if you don't know about risk management, if you don't know about lot sizes, if you don't know about stop losses, if you don't know how to manage your trades, you are doing what the 90% of traders are doing. You understand? So you need to align yourself to winning, not losing. Okay? Okay, let's move on. Point number two, right? Point number two is before you start trading, you need to understand which trading session you're in. Okay? Now, the market has three main Forex sessions. Okay? There's three main sessions in the Forex market. Okay? You've got the London session, you've got the New York session, you've got the Tokyo session. Okay? And at different times of the day, different currencies move better in the different sessions. Okay, so you need to know which session you're in, and then you need to confirm if the session that you're trading is the correct one for the currency that you want to trade. Okay, it's very, very important because, like, in trading, you only make money if the price moves. Okay, and the price of a currency is more likely to move when the market is active during the session. You understand what I'm saying? So you need to trade at the correct session. You need to trade the correct currency in the correct session. That makes it's very, very important. Okay, so you've got the London session, you've got the New York session, you've got the Tokyo session. Okay, let me just go through the times with you real quick. Let me just open it up here. Okay, hold on. FX. Oh man, just hold on. FX. What the hell? Okay, I don't know what's going on, guys. I'm trying to hold on. FX time converter. Okay, just hold on. I'm gonna give you guys the times real quick for those of you guys who don't know. Okay, so these are South African in South African time. Okay, so the London session starts at 10 in the morning. It ends at 6 p.m. Okay, so London session begins at 10 a.m. It ends at 6 p.m. South African time. And then the next session after the London session is the New York session. Again, the New York session starts at 3 p.m. It ends at 11 p.m. Okay, very, very important. And then the Tokyo session starts at 1 a.m. in the morning, in the AMs. Okay, it starts at 1 a.m. and it ends at 9 a.m. Okay, it's very, very important. There's different currencies that work in the Tokyo session. There's different currencies that work in the London session. Okay, and there's different currencies that work in the Tokyo session as well. Okay. All right. So number one is risk management. Number two is identify the trading session. And then number three is you need to just do some quick fundamental analysis. This is when you look at the high impact news events that will happen in the day or during the week, and then you plan around trading those times. Okay, so we already did our fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis can include looking at the economic calendar, which can be found on investing.com, or you can just type on Google, you can just type economic calendar, and then the first one that you see, you can just go in there and see the different high impact news. Okay, so just hold on, guys. All right, hold on, guys. My battery's dead. Okay, so I'm gonna continue on YouTube. Okay, so everybody just go to my YouTube. I'll just continue there. My battery's almost dead. My battery's almost dead. Hold on, guys. I'm just gonna continue on YouTube. Mabs effects. I'm just gonna write the YouTube. Just hold on, guys. Mabs effects. That's the YouTube channel. Okay. So I'm just gonna disconnect on TikTok and then continue on YouTube. Okay. All right, guys. Continuing on YouTube. All right. So the economic calendar can be found on the internet. You know, it's just a very easy tool to use, okay? Just a very, very easy tool to use, guys. Just hold on. All right. Okay, where was I? So yeah, you can look at fundamental analysis, okay, the economic calendar to see which news events are going to hit. And then after that, you guys still here on YouTube? You guys here? You guys here? Okay, let's carry on. Let's carry on. Let's carry on. And then after you do your fundamental analysis, at least you have an idea of when the market is going to move, okay? Which is very, very important. And then after you do your fundamental analysis, you go to step four, which is where you decide if you're going to be a swing trader or if you're going to be a scalp trader. Okay, so this is where you decide which time frames you're going to use to find opportunities. Okay, so for me, usually I like to trade on the higher time frame because there's more money on the higher time frame. So if our system can find trades on the bigger time frames, okay, then it's very, very good for us. That's big money for us right there. Okay, so you can choose here. This is when you choose which time frame you're going to use. Are you going to be a medium to long term trader, or are you going to be a scalp trader, which is a short term trader, which is a person who is going to open up trades for a few seconds or a few minutes? Okay. And then after we do step four, we then gonna go to step number five, and then we are going to identify the trend. Okay, this is primarily what I wanted to speak about today is identifying the trend, but because of time, I'm going to postpone talking about it in detail until the next live trading session that we do. Okay. So now, guys, when you are about to do your analysis with your trading system, you need to use your you need to be able to identify the trend. Okay, so there's three types of trends. Okay, you've got an uptrend, you've got a downtrend, and then you've got a sideways trend. Okay, so now our trading system, it works very well in a trending market. Okay, so when the market is trending up, we want to be looking for buy signals, okay, because the market is going up, right? And then when the market is going down, we want to be looking for sell signals because the market is pushing lower and lower and lower. So it makes sense to open up a sell trade. Okay. And then now when the market is moving sideways, okay, usually with our system, even if we get a trading opportunity, we'll usually use a small lot size there, or we will wait for the market to break out either at the top to buy or at the bottom to sell. Okay, we'll get into more detail at a later stage. Okay, so that's very, very important, guys. So when you're trading, you want to identify the trend. Okay, you want to identify the trend when you are trading. Okay, it's very, very important. So in an uptrend, you don't want to be selling because the price is actually going up. So you want to open up a buy trade. Okay, and then in a downtrend, you don't want to buy. You want to be opening up a sell trade. Okay, in a sideways trend, you want to either avoid the market or buy or sell the breakout. Okay, very, very easy. And then once you've identified the trend, then you can start now looking for signals. Okay, so that's very, very cool. So me, I know that I'm trading right now. If I go through my risk management, I already have risk capital funded in my trading account. And then beyond that, I already know that right now it's about 5:40 p.m. South African time, which now is the New York session. Okay, so this is the New York session, right? And in the New York session, we know that we look for currencies that work with the US dollar or are affected by the US dollar, or commodities and indices which are affected by the US dollar. So things like if you're looking at commodities, you're looking at US 30, you're looking at the NAS 100, SP 500. And then for commodities, you're looking for things like oil, gold, silver. These are the things that you want to be trading during the New York session. And then If as for currencies, you want to be looking for things like the Forex majors, your USD, GBP, USD, USD CAD, etc. You want to be looking for currencies which have a USD prefix in it. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing right now. Okay, so we already know we're in the right session. I've got risk capital funded in my trading account. I know which lot sizes I'm going to use. So basically, this is what I do, guys. Okay, so on my account, a low risk trade, I'll take it with 0.20. Okay, and then a medium risk trade, I'll take it with 0.50. Okay, wait, no, 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 no. A medium risk, a high risk trade, actually. Sorry, I mixed it up. A high risk trade, I'll take it with 0.20. Okay, a medium risk trade, I'll take it with 0.50. Okay, and then a very low risk trade. I know if this trade that like I'm sure about, I'll even use a higher lot size. Okay, so that's how I look at it, right? So now we're in the New York session. Number three, we did the fundamental analysis. There was a news event that happened at 5 p.m. Okay. And then obviously, because there's news events, I'm going to be looking for swing trades. I'm going to be looking for trades on the higher market. So trades that appear or signals that appear on the H4 chart, daily chart, those are the trades that I'm going to prioritize because it's still in the beginning of the week as well. Okay. And then, before I actually open up a trade, I'll also consider the trend of the market, right? I'll also consider the trend of the market. And then that's when I'll take the trades using my rules. Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. So, guys, let's just go ahead and look at some markets and try to explain as we go, right? So where can we start? So usually, guys, this is what I do, okay? When I'm looking for opportunities, right? Just hold on. Phone is overheating. What the Yeah, so this is what I usually do, guys. I first have a trading list, okay? And on my trading list, there's currencies that I trade on a usual basis, right? So, I trade things like Euro USD, GBP USD, what is the other one? US 30, um, NAS 100, and gold. So that's the ones that I'm going to start with, okay? And then if I don't see an opportunity there, right? If I don't see an opportunity there, then that's only when I'm going to go ahead and look for opportunities on another market, okay? So let's just go ahead and get started over there. So I'm gonna just go ahead and start maybe with what? Let's start with the Euro USD, okay? Start with the Euro USD and see what's happening. Usually when I'm looking for trades, guys, I usually start on the higher time frames. Okay, so I'll start maybe on the daily chart, see what's happening. If I don't see anything, I'll go down to the H4 chart. If I don't see anything on the H4 chart, that's when I'll cascade down to the H1, and then I'll cascade down to the 15 minutes. Okay, so then on Euro USD, we're not really seeing any trades or any opportunities matching our rules. Okay, so we're just going to move on to the next one on our list, which is the GBP USD. Okay, so always start on the daily chart, see what's happening. No signal. H4 chart, no signal. H1 chart, not a signal right now. On the 15-minute chart, not a signal right now. Okay, it's all right. It's all right. It's all right. And then the next one we go to after the GBP USD is the US 30. The US 30. The US 30. So the US 30 on the daily chart isn't showing much. On the H4 chart, guys, we've actually been seeing this. We already knew that it was gonna go up. Okay. So now on the H4 chart, we're looking at a TP2, right? So we can actually go ahead and jump in on that one. And then there's also still TP3. If we go down to the H1 chart, we've got a valid signal um, on the, what do you call this chart again, on the H1, 15 minute as well. So it's proper, guys. The market is moving up on the US 30, right? US 30, we definitely going to be jumping in on that. On the 15-minute chart, you've got a TP. We're going for TP. We're actually at TP2, so we're actually targeting TP3. So let's just go ahead and do that. And then, guys, I'll also share these trades on the Telegram channel. Okay. I actually want to take this trade on the higher time frame, right? So I actually want to take it on H4 chart, right? I actually want to take it on H4 chart. So just hold on. Okay, it's not that bad. Right, it's not that bad. So I'm gonna add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, and then the stop loss. Obviously, you guys can see the stop loss, guys. You can use the stop loss that the system gives you. I think like telling you the stop loss is just gonna waste time. Okay, because you have it. Okay, then NAS 100 is the next one. NAS 100 is the next one. So let's see what's happening on NAS 100. Okay, let's start on the daily chart. So this is how I analyze, guys. Okay, this is how I analyze. This is what I do when I'm looking for trades. This is exactly what I do. Okay, H1, I don't see any trade. I don't see any trade. On 15 minute, we just need to wait 5 minutes. Okay, so NAS 100 isn't quite ready yet. Okay, but let's also have a look at the 15-minute chart. Okay, the 15-minute chart is going to give us a trade, right? Oh, and I didn't explain why US 30 is a valid trade. Okay, so let's just break it down for those of you guys who are new. Why is this a valid trade? It's a valid trade because you see where the market price currently is. The market price is above the 100 moving average, which indicates to us that this is a bullish market. Okay, a bullish market is when the price is most likely to go up. That's number one. Number two, if you look at the bottom of the screen, the volatility meter is above 70%, okay, which is good, which means that this market is pushing to the upside, okay? And then um, after that, after those two things are in line, then we can actually take the signal. So if you look at the signal on H4, you can see that we are already at TP2, okay? We're at TP2 right now, okay? So we want to actually trade this. We actually want to trade this, okay? And we can target TP2, we can target TP3. It's all the way up to you. You can use, I checked on the H1, it's also saying that it's going up, which is good. It gives you smaller levels. And then also, if the H1 is too big for you, you can just look at the, what do you call this one? The M15 chart, okay? All right, so NAS 100 isn't showing us what we want to see. And then the next one that we want to see on our list is gold. So gold, let's start on the daily chart. We don't see anything. The H4 chart, nope. H1 chart, nope. Let's look at the 15. The 15-minute, yes. Yes, yes, yes. The 15-minute, yes, we can actually jump in on this one, okay? We can actually jump in on this one, but let's just look at the market real quick. I'm just looking at the price action, right? I can see that we are in a kind of a range right now. Okay, if you look at the 15-minute chart, but TP3 is at the take profit, so it's at the top of the range. So we can actually jump in on this one. But let's see first. Let's look at the other markets. We'll come back to this one. Okay. You see, when I'm trading, I don't want to convince myself. Like if I'm not convinced within the first few seconds, then I don't take the trade. You see how I instantly saw US 30, and I said, no, this is a trade that we can take. Um, I usually make those decisions that type of way. Okay, so let's just look at other markets. US ECAD on the H4 chart, on the daily chart, it has been going up, but it's been showing consolidation. If you look at the H4, I don't see much. 15 minute, I don't see much. And guys, if you have a question, just stop me because I'm just gonna assume that you guys understand. Okay. So far we've got US 30, guys. Let me just quickly look at the other ones. You know, so far we've got US 30. I think that's the one I'm gonna stick with today. Let's look at Euro GBP. Why? Why? Okay, Euro GBP. I don't see nothing. I don't see. You ain't seen nothing yet, baby boy. Okay, let's quickly look. I'm just okay. So far, it's US 30, guys. US 30. Okay, let me just look at GBP AUD quick on the H4 chart. It's also tradable. It's also tradable. But we already have a trade on the US 30. So US 30 is like gold, can pay, can really, really pay. So I'm just quickly gonna go through these markets. Let me see now. So I'm gonna post the trades on, but those of you guys who are already in my Telegram, you can just look at the US 30 on the H4, H1, 15-minute clear signals right there. Those are very clear signals. Okay, obviously, because it's US 30, you need to mind your lot size as well, but you can determine that. I don't know how much is in your trading account, and I don't know how much you're willing to risk. Okay, France 40, let's see. These indices as well, bro. France 40 in them. I'm still taking this one. Let me just see. France 40 on the H1, showing promise. Okay, H4. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna take France 40 on the H4 again. I know it's not the correct session right now, but it's good. There's enough power in the market to move this, right? So yeah, I'm taking. So usually, guys, my trades are on the H4 chart. Okay, they're usually on the H4 chart. Okay, I already took a trade earlier on G30. Okay, I already took a trade on G30. I already took a trade on G30. These are going up, guys. They're going up, 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 and away. Okay, I think I have enough trades, guys. I don't know about you. Okay, so if you guys have another request, just make it right now. Right, make the request if you do have one. Make the request if you do have one. Okay, make a request if you do have one. Make a request if you do have one, guys, so I can just check for you real quick. Okay, so nobody actually wants to. Okay, so you guys are fine with the trades that we have. So US 30 is the one that we have. Um, so we can actually go with that. Okay. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna post the trades on the YouTube. Let's look at silver first, real quick before I go. Silver on the 15-minute chart showing. Hey, but silver is also fire as well. You need to be careful on it. USD ZAR, USD ZAR, USD ZAR. Let's see it on the H4 chart, daily chart, H1 chart. Okay, so for now, we've got US 30, we've got G40, we have France 40. Okay, those are the trades that we have, those indices. Um, what else are we gonna have? So the plan also is to trade tomorrow. Tomorrow is the actual day where we want to be trading. Okay, tomorrow is actually the day where we want to be doing our trading. Okay, guys. So tomorrow is the day. Tomorrow is the day. Tomorrow is the day, guys. All right, tomorrow is the day where we want to do the trading. Okay. So I think for now, let's just park it right here, and then I will post these trades on the Telegram channel. Let me see if I can't do that right now. So while you guys are on the stream, you can ask your questions if you do have questions. If you want me to like just give a little bit of direction on something, just let me know. A new version of BlueStacks is available. I'll update that later. Okay? I'll update that later. Okay guys, so I'm about to post my trades, okay? I'm about to post my trades. I'm about to post my trades. So, and I'm gonna close my platform soon. So just let me know, guys. Just let me know. So you can get the stop loss and the take profit from YouTube, from the H4 chart. Okay. Already, I just put in trades, right? But if you guys want to get the SL and TP, then just go ahead and do that. Okay. It's so complicated. Hey, but Chris Breezy needs to come back to South Africa, man. Hey, that was the best performance, man. Build it up, build it up. Okay, I'm done, guys. Okay. So if you have any questions, you can even just text me on screenshot, screenshot. What? The fuck, no. What? I'ma do my stuff. Any questions, guys? Any questions? 2801 2025. Okay. Targeted 84. So I actually got three trades today, right? I got three trades, four potentially. I could have taken the gold, but I think I'm gonna eat on the US 30. Okay, I'm gonna eat on the US 30. What's going on? 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 It stays on my mind. Can we build it up? Build it up. Okay, I'm gonna stop singing, guys. But anyways, um, I don't know if there's a problem with the chats, but I don't see any questions on the chats. So I'm just gonna disconnect right now, guys. If you have any questions, just let me know, and then yeah, we'll chop it up from there. So, anyways, guys, good luck with your trades. I'll see you guys on the next stream. Take care, guys. Take care. Disconnecting right now. Disconnecting right now. Disconnecting right now. I'm disconnecting.